going to do a quick cordage video here today. And today I'm using Titan SurvivorCord. This is my favorite paracord. It has 7 strands in here, out of which 3 of them are meant for survival. One's a 25-pound mono fishing line. The other one is a wax jute twine, which is excellent as a tinder. And the third one, I believe, is 30 American wire gauge. Just a brass, can be used for a snare wire, ham radio antenna, things like that. So it's an excellent, excellent cordage. A paracord's always rated for 550 pounds. SurvivorCord's rated for 620. Now, very simple little knot here. This is the Bowline. And you don't need to learn 10,000 different knots. You can get away with just a few. Now, the thing with the Bowline is you do a little loop here. And the way to remember this is the bunny goes up the hole, around the tree, back down the hole. Like to pull out a little bit extra. Don't be afraid to have that little tag there. And then you cinch it down. And there's your Bowline. And it's super strong. It'll never slip. You can use that in a boating application. You can have a 10,000 pound boat. It's never going to let go. But after cinching on it like crazy, the nice thing with the Bowline, which you can do but you can't do with another knot, you just look for that little band that goes across the knot and you pull down a little bit and you can take it apart. Simple as that, and you got your cordage back without wasting it or having to have a loop on the end. So let's do that again. Let me put this down. We're going to make a loop. The bunny goes up the hole, around the tree, back down the hole. Cinch it, and you have a Bowline. Excellent knot. So to run a ridgeline, I'm going to go around the tree here. I'm going to show you a neat little trick. You go around the tree. Now, what most people will do is they'll take this line and they'll pull it through and they'll run with it all the way down until they get their 100 feet of cord through. Now that's a lot of work, and especially if you have to get out of here in a hurry, you're going to find yourself in some trouble. So we're going to do this the easy way. The nice thing with the Bowline, or well, any loop, you can pull this piece of cord through here, drop in a piece of wood, which is called a toggle, and then you pull on it. And that will cinch up on the toggle. And now you don't have to run 100 feet of line through here. Let's try that again. Very simple. We're going to take our loop, put it around the tree, or any object for that matter. Basically reach in through your loop, grab your line, pull it out, drop in your toggle, cinch it up. That will never let go. Now I can just walk, keep some tension on it. Actually, it seems to be sitting even without tensioning, which is excellent. And I can run this across, go to another tree, and tie it off. On the other side, we use a basic trucker's hitch. We'll do that in our next video.